An iconic Casio that's not digital? Yes, that's right. Today we are going to be talking about the Casio Duro MDV10D from their Enticer series, specifically in the color Bad Girl. When someone talks about dive watches, the first one that comes to the mind is probably the Rolex Submariner, right? Well, this is a great affordable diver's watch. Or it used to be a great affordable diver's watch. The thing that happened with Casio Duro was that कि ये उसका एक नया वाला मॉडल है. There was an older model. Let's get into that first. The older model of Casio Duro was almost perfect. It was an amazing watch at a very affordable price. It had 200-meter water resistance, making it a proper diver's watch. It had great value for money, of course, and also it was durable क्योंकि Casio. It was almost perfect. See, it was almost perfect. The thing was that it was too big. It was way too big for an average wrist size. It looked like a pizza box on a wrist, okay? So obviously people were like, it's a perfect watch, but all they wanted was a smaller version of that watch. And what Casio gave them was, yes, a smaller version, but a version that is way too small, okay? Like way too small. साइड बाय साइड कंपैरिजन में क्लियरली दिख रहा है that there is a huge size difference between the older and the newer model. The older one had a diameter of 44 mm, while the newer one, as on the Casio official website, measures 38.5 mm. But actually, after measuring it, it is only 36 mm. It is not even 38.5. It is way too small, okay? And that is the reason why I bought this watch. As someone with a small wrist, this is perfect for me. But that is not the, bigger demographic. That is not the average wrist size. This is marketed as a male watch, tiny compared to the older version. And not only the size difference, there were other changes also. Like the older version had a water resistance of 200 meters, making it a proper diver's watch. This new one, it is a disappointment, okay? Just 50 meters water resistance. This is not a diver's watch. It just looks like a diver's watch. 50 meters, इतना ज़्यादा मतलब क्या गिरे हैं वो 200 से 50 तक. This comes in this Batgirl color scheme, the Pepsi, Starbucks, etc.
It has both a metal variant and also a resin variant. You can still get the old Casio Duro with the 200-meter water resistance, which is surprisingly cheaper, but you still don't have the marlin fish symbol on it.
Also the color schemes are also like the actual Rolex जो मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा resemble करती है. और चलो, the diameter of the dial is whatever, but the bracelet, it is tapering, okay? From the lug, it is even smaller than the lug. This bracelet is so tiny, bro. It looks good on my wrist because my wrist is small. But a thing that I do like about this watch that yes, it does have a sporty look. I mean, this Rolex का जो imitation type है, okay-ish price. I mean, obviously water resistance भी कम है, so I feel like the price is a little bit expensive based on the features that you're getting. But it's still fine. It's not like outrageous. Who doesn't love a sunburst dial? I know I do. It has the dark grey sunburst dial, which I really appreciate. I really like it. Also, it does have a lume, which is not the best. It doesn't last that long, but it's there, so I guess yeah. It has good finishing, it's good looking, and yes, it is an affordable watch, but it is a disappointment compared to the older one. Of course, I would never have bought the older one because it was huge, but man, people were requesting Casio to make a smaller watch. They got rid of the water resistance and all, man. Like, come on. Also, they got rid of the marlin fish, which was above the 200-meter water resistance symbol. That looked so pretty. It was also on the case back. They got rid of that too. What makes this a diver's watch? Basically, the rotating bezel. This bezel is a unidirectional bezel. That means वो एक ही side में rotate होता है. And diver's watch में क्यों होता है ये bezel important? It's basically so that people can measure the amount of oxygen that is left and the time that they have spent. The bezel was a reminder to prevent divers from exceeding their diving time limit with limited oxygen. This ingenious device could help track how long a diver was beneath the surface, allow the diver to keep track of how much air was in the tank. So that is the function of a rotating bezel. I think this diagram explains it better. The triangle mark or whatever, you set it with the minutes hand, and then afterwards when you check the time, you can see if the minutes hand has reached the 10 written on the rotating bezel, then 10 minutes have passed, so it makes it easier to check the time. Or you can set it at the time you want to, like if you know you have 40 minutes of oxygen, then set it 40 minutes ahead, and then you can in a quick glance, see if the minutes hand has reached where you have set the bezel. So that way you know the remaining time left. It is quite helpful for divers, but remember you cannot use this watch for diving क्योंकि सिर्फ 50 meters का water resistance है. This watch is currently being sold at 8495 on the Casio official website, and it has a stainless steel band, one touch 3-fold clasp, 50-meter water resistance. Disappointing. And the case and bezel material is stainless steel or aluminium, and here it is on my wrist, size 5.5 inches. It has an approx battery life of 3 years, typical, and the country of origin is China. It has an accuracy of plus minus 20 seconds per month, and to the features, it doesn't really have that many features. Of course, it's an analog watch. It does have a loom, as I said. It has a date window, and it has the minutes, hour and seconds hand. Other than that, it really is a good looking watch, but I don't think it is the right watch for everyone, because as I said, the wrist size is something that matters a lot, and this is a tiny watch.
But it was iconic enough to be worn by Steve Jobs on multiple occasions.
I feel like yes, this is a versatile watch. You can dress up or dress down with it. Mostly because it is not that in your face also. It's quite subtle, but it still looks good. It has a sleek appearance. And obviously koi bhi metallic watch I feel goes well with most of the outfits, right? This is not that big also, unlike the previous Duro. If I did have a chance to choose between this or the previous one, I would still choose this. क्योंकि वो previous वाली तो मेरे हाथ पे बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लगती. But that's just my preference क्योंकि मेरा wrist size छोटा है. Though I would really prefer the Marlin fish ka symbol and the 200 meter ka water resistance based on the price that I'm paying. So this was the problem between the Duro now and the before Duro. Let me know in the comments which one you would prefer. And obviously yes, Casio did not do a good job listening to its customer base in this case. क्योंकि उन लोगों ने छोटा साइज मांगा था भाई, ये क्या दे दिया, मतलब ये क्या है. And also the thing with the water resistance, it was really disappointing. If you do want a medium size watch with good water resistance, I found this gem, the Casio MTD 1053D, but it is not available in India, very sadly. It is an amazing looking watch. It has the right case size for an average wrist size, and it has 200 meter water resistance. It is basically perfect. It is just not available in India. The link to this watch will be in my description along with the watch that I'm currently wearing, the Casio A158. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.